Welcome to Infinity with Vijay. In this video, we are talking about some of the key points related to the chapter areas related to circles. So, length of an arc of a sector of a circle with radius r and angle with degree measure, that is theta, is nothing but theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So, if this is a circle, we are taking a small part. Okay, so this part, let us remove that part. I will draw here. So length of an arc, if this is this length of an arc of a circle with radius r and degree of measure, that is theta, then what is the length of this arc? That is nothing but theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi r is, correct, the circumference of a circle. Then the area of a circle with radius r and angle with degree measure theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. If you want to find the area, here length, observe, here area of a circle with radius r and again with angle degree measure, that is theta, then theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi r square is the area of a circle, the formula, correct? Then area of a segment of a circle is equal to nothing but area of the corresponding sector minus the area of a corresponding triangle. Okay, I hope you understood these points. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.